The Comanche territory operates in the Glushkovsky district in Glushkovo. We were here in August and in September. The settlement was still intact. Now, of course, the destruction is noticeable. Enemy drones are still operating here. Even though Ukrainian forces have been pushed almost all the way back to the regional border, the drones are still active. There are a lot of destroyed vehicles. Today we're here with the BARS, the Kursk BARS.
There's no point in fighting for the crown. The milk in this cow has long since soured. On the road, a woman walks with a yoke and buckets. In one bucket, there's a live frog, and the other a dead one. There's war all around, but I just want to find peace in my heart. I squeeze the body of this sea creature, but there's only death inside. Buy it at 100 per barrel. Let my cartel be destroyed. I'm that old guy who believes in the light, even though I'm covered in darkness myself. Gastanov sees roses. Roses see pus, which can turn into a thorn if it gets under your skin. But I keep stubbornly believing in the impossible and relying on mercy as if it were tyranny, and relying on mercy as if it were therapy. When yet another greedy know-it-all prescribes a rainbow. Enough. It's already hard for me to breathe.
I see you have a very interesting tattoo for Donbass. When did you get it? Why? By the way, I take it this is still a reference to the special operation, right? Or was it done earlier?
No, I got this tattoo in 2022. I was also a commander of an assault unit there, and as one of my soldiers was dying in my arms, he said, "I am dying for Donbass." In honor of my legendary and heroic soldier, my entire unit got these tattoos.
Oh, I wish I could go out into the field where the sky is a dome, where my father says, "Don't cry, silly." And the pain of loss will be eased by the red dawn. Just believe me, it was all not in vain. What does patrolling involve? What are we looking for? What are we watching out for? Who? What are we observing?
Unfamiliar faces. We check both military and civilians. We check for documents. There could be possible sabotage and reconnaissance groups. We also make sure there are no looters. Look, the printer is still standing here. So basically, everything was abandoned. And this was an office. Fax, everything, computers, everything was left just as people left. The last time I was here, you can already see there was a strike here. We keep an eye on the air. If enemy FPV drones suddenly appear on the horizon, we immediately open fire to destroy them completely so they cannot later deliver a devastating and damaging strike either on innocent civilians or on our military personnel.
Got it. Hit. Nice one.
I got in touch with my friends who are also from the Glushkovsky district, and we decided to unite. We gathered 30 people. At first there was 17. We came in, then it was 30. Now there are about 43 people here. We've been here in the Glushkovsky district the entire time, of course.
Are they from Glushkovsky?
All from the Glushkovsky district. Everyone here is my friend. They all bonded their consciences together here, gathered together.
So, at your place of work, you weren't officially put on an extended leave of absence, were you, right?
At work, they suspended my contract for the duration of my service for 6 months.
So your position is being held for you?
My position is being held. My duties have been redistributed.
But I wish I could go out into the field, where the sky is a dome, where my father says, "Don't cry, foolish one." And the red dawn will ease the pain of loss. Just believe me, it was all not in vain.
Well, it was a bit scary. Drones were flying around. So, yeah, it was kind of scary, but still, it's home. Home is home. So we decided that's it. We're staying and not going anywhere. We came to terms with the fear, but hoped that everything would turn out okay. In the end, things turned out well, right? We survived.
Yeah, that's right. The guys help you out, right? All the time?
Yes, they come and look after us. The bad thing was that at first there was no one here. Everyone left all the services, and there were no bars either. There is a road, basically, you can drive across the field to get groceries. At first, yes, it was pretty hard not being able to live, especially since I didn't know the roads. But now I know all the fields. It's easier now, much easier.
What's your name?
Luda. Well, if you're going to cut anything out, I really ask you, please turn the lights back on for us.
All right.
Please. Pass this along through all the channels about the electricity, because electricity is its half of my heart.
With the generator, right? That's you?
Yes, it's very hard. Very. So if there's electricity, there will be water and life will get even better.